What's up, guys? T-Mac here, and today I'm going to be reacting to Machine Gun Kelly. Why Are You Here? Audio. No visual video, just the audio. Plus, do you like all this red? I'm so drippy. Also, check out Jay Gutta at whoisjaygutta.com. He's a pretty cool guy. So, let's get to the reaction. This is Machine Gun Kelly. Let's go. Why are you here? We can never be friends. So this is gonna be about a girl, right? Like, yo, why are you here? Why are you still here? Leave, right? I can imagine.
I saw you again last night. You were with somebody and so was I. Met you in the bathroom.
So you meeting up with your ex?
At 12:05, and I fucked you again. We can never be friends. Yeah.
So you split up, but every time you run into each other, you guys just can't be civil and be friends. You guys just gotta have sexual intercourses. Eh? I don't know anybody like that, but you know, no, you know.
I'm not myself when you're around, no. Can't be helped. We aren't saying that's just the way it goes. I'm a demon in the night. She's an angel with the white. Told me keep on all the lights. I'ma show you what you like. Help you put back on your clothes. Make sure nothing's on your nose. Ain't even tell my closest homies. Nobody knows. I hate that I saw you again last night. So was I. Met you in the bathroom at 12:05, and I fucked you again. We can never be friends. Yeah. I couldn't cry. I need to smoke. I'm feeling sick inside. From seeing you next to a friend of mine, we didn't speak, but I read your mind. Both telling lies. Our alibis didn't work this time. I'm a demon in the...
You got caught. Machine Gun Kelly MGK got caught taking his friend's girlfriend or something like that. It's a good song. I'd rock this song in my car loud. I don't know if I'd rock it in my ears unless I was dealing with that situation, maybe. I don't know. Machine Gun Kelly, dude, he goes like really rugged rap and then really alternative rock. Yeah? Alright, let's continue. Sorry. I just spaced out on that one.
She's an angel with the white. Told her keep on all the lights. You can show me what you like. Help me put back on our clothes. Make sure nothing's on my nose. Can't even tell my closest homies. Nobody knows. I hate that I saw you again last night. You were with somebody and so was I. Met you in the bathroom at 12:05, and I fucked you again. We could never be friends. Yeah. We can never be friends. Yeah. We can never be friends. We can never be friends. Yeah. Yeah, I know that I said I was at home. Okay, yeah, you caught me. I thought that you said you were all alone. Look at you lying. I hate that I saw you again last night.
Interesting.
You were somebody and so was I. Met you in the bathroom at 12:05, and I fucked you again. We can never be friends. Yeah. We can never be friends. Yeah. We can never be friends. We can never be friends. Yeah.
Do you think that we could be friends? That was Machine Gun Kelly. Why are you here? And I had a small, slight hypothesis in my mind that it was going to be this type of song as far as alternative rock, you know, your Blink 182 type style song. I'm okay with it. It's a cool song. Like I said, I would probably bump it in my car, but I don't think I'd bump it in my ears. Does that make sense? With that said, Machine Gun Kelly, excellent artist. And if you guys want me to react to any more Machine Gun Kelly, leave it down in the comments below, and I will react to them. I'm T-Mac. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't. Check out Who Is Jay Gutta if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.